Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Logging Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sync contacts on WhatsApp. Syncing your contacts helps WhatsApp identify which of your phone contacts is using the application, and it makes it easier for you to connect with them. To sync contacts on WhatsApp, you need to first open your settings on your mobile phone. Now here you need to look for Accounts and Sync option. Now note that the structure of the settings may differ according to the phone you are using. Now tap on Accounts and Sync option. Then here on the other you can see WhatsApp option. Tap on WhatsApp. Now here tap on WhatsApp again. Then here you'll be able to find contacts. Tap on contacts. Now it will take few seconds for your contacts to sync. After this, now your contacts will be synced on WhatsApp. This is how we can sync contacts on WhatsApp. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.